pigs here too. Everybody. Over here, I'll make money off of this anyways. They're 6 feet away. What are you doing?
What are you fucking doing, man?
Okay?
Stop recording me.
I'll pepper spray you. Back off, fucking bitch. Back off.
Why are you recording?
Back off. I told you. I warned you once.
You're recording.
Not playing with you, dude.
You shouldn't be recording.
Don't get close to me,
You shouldn't be
okay?
recording at all.
I'm not pepper spray you, dude.
Do not.
No, you touch my phone, I'm gonna make a report right now, okay?
You shouldn't be recording.
Yeah, get in. I'm not pepper spray. You better help. Right now. You assaulted my phone. You saw what she did right now.
I need you to leave.
No, I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving.
Why are you filming us?
Okay, I could be here. This is public highway. Now I'm gonna call the cops. Right now, I'm gonna call the cops.
You call the cops.
You're done already. You're done. I'm gonna call the cops already. My other phone, she touched my phone. I'm gonna call this department right now.
You were just clicking off the.
You touched my phone. You can't touch my phone. Okay, you touched my phone.
You are recording us.
Why did you touch my phone? She touched my property. Fucking bitch.
Recording us.
Fucking Karen. I got it on that video. I want to arrest her. I want to arrest her. I want you. You're gonna go to jail now. You fucking idiot. You touched my property. You're gonna pay it too. Okay? You're done already. I got you now videos. This is a public sidewalk. She touched me. She touched my phone. Okay? This is an expensive phone. This is almost 1,200. Okay? I work for my stuff.
We have a unit coming.
Okay? I'm gonna make a report now. Hell no, this is unfair. And that idiot wanted to touch me over there.
You gotta understand people, they don't like being...
No, but you can't touch any one other person.
I understand that.
If I touch you, you're gonna arrest me.
Listen, I understand that, but nobody... I understand that totally, but nobody likes the camera from the...
It doesn't matter, it's public sidewalk.
Yeah, but I mean, that's...
It doesn't matter if they don't like it, they could go home.
You're 100% right.
Okay?
Legally, but it's just not right, personally.
Okay?
Legally,
I could have pepper sprayed her, she touched me.
Okay.
But I decided not to. You're not gonna be touching me. You're gonna think about twice if you touch me. You called them already? Okay. Okay, because she's gonna pay for my phone. You damaged it. Okay?
I don't see anything wrong with
I
it.
bet you she can afford that phone. That's what she's eating right there in the street. She can't afford nothing. She's broke as fuck. That's unacceptable. That's unacceptable. It's my phone. It cost me a lot of money.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with it.
Okay?
There's nothing wrong with that phone. Relax.
Man.
The officer's going to talk to you. You'll figure it out.
Talking to
remain anonymous.
You want to remain anonymous?
Yeah. But I'm gonna give him, when I make the report, I'll give him my information.
Okay. I just want to tell him what your name was, please.
Okay.
He's anonymous. I don't know his name.
I wanna make a report, though.
My partner.
They touched my property. They touched my phone right here.
My partner fills him in. They're gonna come talk to you.
Okay.
Actually, no, we're leaving.
It's ridiculous. Over a simple camera, you're touching other people. Can't be doing that.
My partner said that people are eating, you shove a camera in their face, they get really...
This is a sidewalk. I was filming. I could film.
You're absolutely in the legal right. Absolutely.
If I go touching you, you're gonna do something. That's different.
Just because you can doesn't mean that you should. You know what I mean?
How you doing? Good.
I'm Garrett. How you doing?
Good. I was just minding my business here.
Okay.
She grabs my camera. I have it on this one. I even have a camera on my glasses.
Okay.
You can't touch no one's property, even though how mad you are.
Correct.
This is my expensive phone. I don't like nobody touching my stuff.
Okay. So you want to make a report?
Yeah.
Okay.
For assault, I'll give you my information.
Okay. Give me a second. My officer's going to come by. What's your name again?
Let me turn off the volume because I don't want the people to hear.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
It's Richard.
Okay. Hi, Richard. My partner is going to be taking all of your information.
Okay.
And he'll document what occurred, okay?
Okay.
Is that video available?
I could email it to you, the video once you touch me.
My officer will give you his email.
Thank you. You were professional.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'm glad you know the First Amendment.
Yes, sir.
Good.
And you were happy with the service you received?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
Okay. So if these people look for problems, they start problems. Oh no. They pull it. All right, you too. Thank you for being professional. So now I'm going here again. So who wins? I win all the time. I haven't even finished my tour anyways. These people they like to start problems everywhere, huh?
I'll do that. have two rosés. One is lighter, it's a blue one, so don't look
See, that's a mood you're supposed to do. Be calm like that. That's how you do it. So now this restaurant is getting a lot of bad reviews. Or maybe they did. This was a... Now I'm done here.
Hey man, you have a release form for me? Because I need a release form.
The cops were here. Didn't you educate you already?
No, I need to.
You don't need. I don't need no release form,
Yeah,
dude.
California law. Yeah, I need to
No.
release my information.
Go back to work.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna tell you.
Who do you work for? I want to call.
Go back to work.
Yeah. Who do you work for though?
Doesn't matter to you. Go back to work.
No, it does matter.
You still don't learn, huh? The cops were here. Your customer attacked me.
You're amazing, don't you?
Yeah. You'll be getting a lot of bad reviews on Yelp.
That's amazing. I get them every
Trust
day,
me.
man. Every
Trust
day.
me. They're not gonna want to come here eat.
I love it.
That's simple. So you see, he said I need a review. Oh my gosh, this was a good one. Everybody, now let's go. This was a good as. Thank you, everybody, my subscribers, everybody out there. I appreciate it. And until next one, everybody. Peace. That was a crazy lunatic on the run. Everybody, go subscribe. Peace. I'm out.